In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall an N8N workflow completely in just a few simple steps. If you want to remove a workflow from your N8N account the right way, this guide will help you archive it first and then delete it permanently. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open N8N and go to the overview section. This is where you can see all of your workflows in one place. Once you're on the overview page, find the workflow you want to remove. Next, click the three dots next to that workflow. This opens the options menu for that workflow. From the menu, click Archive. Archiving the workflow is the first step because it moves the workflow out of your active list without fully deleting it right away. After that, go to the filter option and check Show Archived Workflows. This will make the archived workflows visible so you can access them again if needed. Once the archived workflow appears, locate it and then delete it from there. That's the final step to completely remove the workflow from N8N. And that's it. Your N8N workflow has now been uninstalled completely. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step guides.